ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ನ ಜನರಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಲ್ತು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ 10th ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಮೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಸಬ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್. So he has already mentioned that he has mentioned a progression, that is arithmetic progression. So in that he has given some terms and he has given some boxes. ಒಂದು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಆನಂತರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಆನಂತರ ಅವನೇನು ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳು ಯಾವುವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿದು ಬರುವಂತ ಡಾಟಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದಾವೆ, 1 2 3 4 5 6 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದಾವೆ. So this is the 38 is the second term and 22nd is the sixth term. First, second, third, fourth, fifth and this is the sixth term. Okay. So for second term ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಈ 38 ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, a2 is equal to 38. This is the second term. Okay. So ಆನಂತರ ಇದು 22 ಅನ್ನೋದು sixth term. That is a6 is equal to minus 22. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is understood that this arithmetic progression in descending order. ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬರುವಂತ ಡಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾ a2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ that we know the general form or nth term of the arithmetic progression, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. a is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತು, that is 38. So in terms of n we can write 38 here. Sorry, in terms of n we can write 2 here. That is, I will write it as a2 is equal to, we don't know the first term here, I will write a as it is plus I know the n, that is 2 minus 1 into d. Okay, so here what is which is the second term here? 38 is the second term. I will replace this a2 with 30. In place of a2 I will write 38 is equal to a plus 2 minus 1 into d is, that is d only. That is we get a plus d is equal to 38. I will write it in a proper manner, that is a plus d is equal to 38. I will call this as equation 1. How many unknowns are there here? Here 2 unknowns are there. So with the 2 unknowns, to get the 2 unknowns, what we need 2 equations. Okay, so we are having only one equation, because of that I will call it as equation 1. And after that, by using this second term, that is sixth term, that is a6 equal to minus 22, ಇದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇದರ equation ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ a ಮತ್ತು d ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಎರಡು equation ಬಳಸಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು a ಮತ್ತು d ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬಹುದು. After that we know, if we know the term first term and the common difference d, then it is easy for us to write the arithmetic progression. Okay, so I will use this sixth term, that is a6 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In place of n I will write 6, because this is the sixth term. Okay, which one is the sixth term here? Minus 22 is the sixth term. Minus 22 is equal to we don't know the value of a, I will keep as it is. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 into d, it becomes 5. Okay, I will write it as a plus 5d is equal to minus 22. This is the equation 2. Okay, so here also we are having 2 unknowns, here also we are having 2 unknowns, same unknowns. So by using these two equations we can get the value of a and d. Okay, so better what I will do, I will subtract second equation from first equation. Subtract second equation from first equation, that is 1 minus 2. That is I will write first equation here, a plus d is equal to 38. Second equation, a plus 5d is equal to minus 22. Okay, so here if I subtract this one, so here plus is there, it becomes minus. Here plus is there, again it becomes minus. Here minus is there, it becomes plus. Okay, so a here a is there, it will get cancelled. This is d is there, minus 5d, d minus 5d, it becomes minus 4d is equal to 38 plus 22. 38 plus 22, it becomes 8 plus 2 10, carry is 1, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1, it becomes 60. That is d is equal to 60 divided by minus 4. Okay, so here it is in a numerator. When it comes to the right side of the equation, it comes in denominator. That is minus 4. So 4 ones are 4, 15s are, that is common difference is minus 50. Okay, so common difference is minus 15. Okay, if I put minus 15 in the first equation, then we can get the value of a. That is a minus 15 is equal to, first equation is a plus d is equal to 38. So in place of d, I will write minus 15. We get a minus 15 is equal to 30. A minus 15 is equal to 38. A is equal to 38 plus 15. 38 plus 15, how much will you get? 30 plus 10, 40. 8 plus 5, 13. 40 plus 13, 53. So here first term is 53 and common difference is minus 15. We know how to write the arithmetic progression if we know first term and the common difference. So then arithmetic, okay, right? Sorry. So it is not necessary to write the arithmetic progression here. Here we need to fill these boxes. Okay. So first term is 53. I'll write 53 here. Okay. And common difference is minus 15. So what we need to do to get the third term? We need to add common difference to the second term. So that is 38 minus 15. 38 minus 15. Then how much we will get? Here we need to do 38 minus 15. So 30 minus 10, 20, 8 minus 5, 3, 23. Okay, so to get the next term, what we need to do? We need to add common difference to the third term, so that we can get the fourth term. 23 minus 15 will get 8. Okay, so 8 minus 15. So that we need to add a common difference to the 8, so that we can get the next term, that is 8 minus 15. 8 minus 15 means we get minus 7. Okay, these are the terms we need to fill in the box so that we can complete the given arithmetic progression. Okay, so now I am solving 10th problem in the exercise 1.2. A 10th problem main kodida nanu. He has given the 17th term of arithmetic progression exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference D. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 17th term ಆಫ್ ಒಂದು arithmetic progression ನ 17th term ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು 10th term ಕಿನ 7 ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So this is the data he has given. After that he has asked us to calculate common difference D. Okay, so ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಓದಲಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಡಾಟಾ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? The 17th term of an AP exceeds 10th term by 7. Okay, so ಇದು 10th term ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, 17th term A 17 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term, that is A10 by 7. A17 exceeds its 10th term by 7. So A17 is ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು 10th term ಕಿನ 7 ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So we know the general formula for arithmetic progression, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಈ A17 ಗೆ A10 ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, n in place of n I will write 17. Okay, 17 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ A17 ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ a plus n minus 1 into d. n in place of n I will write 17 minus 1 into d is equal to 10 ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು? a plus n minus, in place of n I will write 10 here, 10 minus 1 into d I will write 7 as it is, that is plus 7 I will write as it is. Okay, So it becomes here a is there, left side of the equation, right side of the equation a is there. I will cancel this one. It becomes 17 minus 1 d. Then it becomes 16d is equal to 10 minus 1 d. It becomes 9d plus 7. I will bring 9 to the left side of the equation. It becomes 16d minus 9d is equal to 7. 16 minus 9 is 7d is equal to 7. D is equal to 7 divided by 7. 7 on the 7 on the. So that is D is equal to 1. Here common difference is 1. So this is what we are asked in the problem, that is common difference D. So this is the common difference D for the given arithmetic progression. Okay. Now I am solving third problem of exercise 1.2. Okay. In that he has given two arithmetic progressions have the same common difference between their 100th terms is 100. What is the difference in between their 1000th term? Okay. So in this problem he has mentioned two arithmetic progression. ಎರಡು arithmetic progression ಇದಾವೆ. ಆ arithmetic progression ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪದ ಯಾವುದು, ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವನು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ನ 100ನೇ ಪದ ಹಾಗೂ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ನ 100ನೇ ಪದ ಎರಡನ್ನ ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಳೆದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಬರುವಂತ ಉತ್ತರ 100 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ನ 1000ನೇ ಪದ ಹಾಗೂ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ನ 1000ನೇ ಪದ ಈ ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದನ್ನ ಕಳೆದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಬರುವಂತ ಉತ್ತರ ಯಾವುದು? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೇರ್ 1000th term? He has asked in this arithmetic progression. Solution for this problem is, first I will write the data what he has given in the problem, that is the difference in between 100 terms of two APs. First I will write the arithmetic progression in the general form for both arithmetic progression, that is A1, A2, A3, so on up to A100, so on A1000. Let this be the first arithmetic progression, and let B1, B2, B3 up to B100, so on up to B1000. Let this be the second arithmetic progression. Okay. So what he has given, that the two APs have the same common difference between their 100 terms is 100. So ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ನ 100ನೇ ಪದದ ಏನು ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ನ 100ನೇ ಪದವನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ನ 100ನೇ ಪದದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬರುವಂತ ಉತ್ತರ 100 ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay. So how we can write the 100 term here? By general formula we can write this as a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So in place of n I will write 100. In place of n I will write 100 minus so here I will write it as a1. So first term is a1 here, because of that I will write a1. For b100 I can write as b1 plus 100 minus 1 into d, because here first term is b1. For the second arithmetic progression first term is b1 is equal to 100. Here common difference for the both progression both arithmetic progression is d only, so because of that I have written d for the both cases. Okay. Here it becomes a1 plus 100d is we will get 100 minus 1 d means we will get 99d minus b1 plus 100 minus 1 means 99d is equal to 100. Okay. So a1 minus 99d minus b1. So if you ನೀವು b1 ನ ಈ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, minus into plus it becomes minus b1, minus into plus it becomes minus 99d is equal to 100. This plus 99d minus 99d will get cancelled. We left a1 minus b1 is equal to 100. Okay. So this is what we did by using this 100th term. Now what we need to do, we need to calculate the difference in between 1000th term of both arithmetic progression. So for that what we need to do, that is a1000, we need to calculate a1000 minus b1000. This is what we need to calculate here, is equal to a1000. How we can write? a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so here first term is a1 for the first arithmetic progression. First term is a1 plus n minus 1. N here n is 1000 minus 1 into common difference is d minus a1. So in the for second arithmetic progression a1 is b1 here. A1 plus n is 1000 minus 1 into d. Okay, so I will solve this one. A1 plus 999 d minus b1 plus 999 d. Okay, so it becomes b1. It becomes a1 plus 999 d minus b1 minus 999 d. Minus into plus, it becomes minus. Here plus 999 d is there, here minus 999 d is there, they will get cancelled. We will left with a1 minus b1, that is a1 minus b1. So here we have already calculated, that is a1 minus b1 is equal to 100. Okay, this implies a1000 minus b1000 is equal to 100. This is what he has asked in the problem. That is, what is the difference between their thousandth term? Okay, so here we have calculated, that is a1000 minus b1000 is equal to 100. This is what he has asked in the problem. Now I am solving 13th problem of exercise 1.2. So in that he has mentioned how many 3-digit numbers are divided by 7. Okay, now solution for this problem is here we need to check the 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. Okay, so 3-digit smallest 3-digit number yavadu 100. Okay, so idana nanu 100 ide, 100 ನಂತರ ಬರುವಂತ ನಂಬರ್ 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ವಿಚ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ 7 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 105 ವಿಲ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ 7. ಒಂದ್ಸಾರಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ದೀಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ 7. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಚೆಕ್ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ 7 or not. Okay, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, remainder is 3, it becomes 35, 7 5s are 35. So which means this 105 is divisible by 7. Okay, 105 is the smallest number which is divisible by 7. So that I will write as the first term of the arithmetic progression. To get second term of arithmetic progression, what we need to do? We need to add the common difference. Common difference is 7 itself. Okay, we need to add 7 to the 105. 105 plus 7 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 112 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾಮಾ ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 112 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 7. 112 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 7 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 119 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 119 so on. So which is the largest 3-digit number? Which is the largest 3-digit number? ನಮ್ಮ largest 3-digit number ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 999. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 998. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 997, 996. Okay, so and next 995, 994. Let me check this whether this number is divisible by 7 or not. Okay, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. Okay, so we that 2 is remaining, it becomes 29. 7 4s are 28. We left with 1. It becomes 14. 7 2s are 14. That is 994 is the largest 3-digit number which can be divisible by 7. So here I will write here. I have already written the arithmetic progression here: 105, 112, 119, so on. Here 994 will be the last number. 994 will be the last number. He has asked how many 3-digit numbers are divided by 7. Here we need to calculate this. ಇದು 994 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಪದ? ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 994 ಈ ಅರಿಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಪದ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಈ ಏನು ದಟ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ find out that how many 3-digit numbers are divided by 7. Okay, so here if you consider this as arithmetic progression, then 105 will be the first term. So how will denote first term? 1 as a. Will denote first term as a. What is the common difference? We know it, that is 7. Otherwise we can do it like this: 112 minus 105, that gives us 7. Okay, after that we know the general term, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, a is 1, an is equal to, we know the an is last term is 994 is equal to a is 105, plus we don't know n, here I will keep as it is n minus 1 into d. Common difference is 7. Okay, this becomes, I will keep 994 as it is equal to 105 plus 7n, 7 into n, 7n minus 1 into 7, this is 7. Okay, right. So next 994 I will keep as it is left side of the equation, minus I will bring 105 to the left side of the equation, it becomes minus 105 is equal to 105 minus 7, it becomes better I will write one more step here, that is 994 is equal to 105 minus 7, it becomes 98 plus 7n. Okay, so I will write 7n is equal to 994 minus 98. 7n is equal to 994 minus 98, we get 896. n is equal to 896 divided by 7. Okay, so n is equal to, we need to divide this one, 7 on the 7, 8 minus 7 we will get 1, it becomes 19, 7 to the 14, we left with 5, it becomes 56, 7 here is a 56, that is we get n is equal to 128. Okay, so by this we can conclude that 128 3-digit numbers are divided by 7. Okay, now I am solving 20th problem of exercise 1.2. Okay, so in the problem he has given Ramkali saved ₹5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly savings by ₹1.75 if in the nth week her weekly savings become ₹20.75, then find n. Okay, so ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರಾಮ್ಕಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗಿ ಹಣವನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಹಣವನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಮೊದಲನೇ ವಾರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ ಸಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸೇವ್ಡ್ ₹5. ಸೊ ₹5 ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಳೆ. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಪ್ರತಿ ವಾರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕು 5 ಇತ್ತು, ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಮೊದಲನೇ ವೀಕು 5 ಇತ್ತು, ಎರಡನೇ ವೀಕು 1.75 ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 6.75. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅವಳು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ವಾರ ₹1.75 ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ವೀಕ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ದುಡ್ಡು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ₹20.75. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕಾದ್ದೇನು, ಈ ₹5 ಹಿಡಿದು ₹20.75 ರೀಚ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರವರೆಗೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ವಾರಗಳು ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ವಾರ ಅವಳು ಕೂಡಿಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಹಣ, ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ವಾರ ಅವಳು ₹20.75 ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್. Okay, so and in the problem only he has given we need to find out the n. Okay, and we know the by this problem we can collect the data, that is first term is a, that is 5. Okay, and common difference is she is adding consistently ₹1.75. He is increasing ₹1.75 weekly. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮೊದಲು 5 ಇತ್ತು, ಪ್ರತಿ ವಾರ ಅವಳು ₹1.75 ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 1.75. ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ವೀಕ್, in upcoming days, in a particular week she is adding ₹20.75. that means somewhere in the year it becomes ₹20.75. ಸೊ ಇವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ವಾರ ಅವಳು ಹಾಕುವಂಥ ದುಡ್ಡು ₹20.75 ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವ ವಾರ, ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ವಾರ ಅದು ₹20.75 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. Okay, so we know the formula, that is n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. He has mentioned n as 20 rupees 75 paisa, 20.75 is equal to, first term a is 5 plus, we don't know the value of n, we need to calculate that, that is n minus 1 into d is 1.7. Okay, so I'll keep 20.75 as it is equal to 5 plus 1.75 into n. 1.75 into n, it becomes 1.75 n minus 1 into 1.75, it becomes 1.75. Okay, so I'll keep 20.75 as it is. 20.75 is equal to 5 minus 1.75. 5 minus 1, it becomes 4. 4 minus 0.75, it becomes 3.25 plus 1.75 n. Okay, I'll keep 1.75 n to the left side of the equation. I'll keep 20.75 as it is. If I bring this 3.25 to the other side of the equation, it becomes minus 3.25. Minus 3.25. 1.75 n is equal to 20 minus 3, 17. 0.75 minus 0.25, it becomes 0.5. Okay, so n is equal to, I bring this 1.75 to the right side of the equation, it becomes divided by 17.5 divided by 1.75. Okay, so to make it better, I will multiply and divide this equation by 100. So it becomes 15750. If I multiply this with 100, it becomes 1750. If I multiply this denominator, it becomes 175. Okay, 175 ones are 175, ones are 0 will remain as it is. It becomes n is equal to 10. That means 10th week of the year, she added 20 rupees 75 to her savings.